Hello, this video is to assist you with creating product suggestions. This is important when you have specific products that you want to cross-sell with matching products and so forth. So in order to do this, we are going to go to the admin and we are going to go to the marketing module. We are now going to go to product suggestions and we are going to add a product suggestion here. I'm going to scroll down and grab I'm going to grab this Love to You top from Heart and Soul Cherokee. Now, oftentimes when you have a product, you want to tie other products to it. Since this is a scrub top, um, for an accessory, perhaps they'll need a stethoscope. And so we'll grab, a couple of stethoscopes that you might want to tempt them with, or that's otherwise you would think would be a good cross-sell upsell for them. Since they're getting a top, they might be interested in, another top. We'll just grab a couple by random. And again, an upsell where you can also select other items. And I'm just grabbing these by random. Okay, so I've picked about 6 products to be shown on the Love to You Love V-neck top here. I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. When I go to the front end now, I'm going to see that when I search for that keyword, I'm going to pull up this particular top, and when I click into it, we'll see that on the side of the product detail page that there are going to be suggestions here. We've got accessories of those stethoscopes. So when somebody comes in and is looking at this product to purchase, they're going to be tempted by these various other products that are showing up. And that is how you can build cross-sells on a particular product page. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@sellerscommerce.com.